Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop for editing, so we will make a selection and edit the picture by using that selective part, adding filter into it, scale up, then in filter gallery, so here we have used it. We will add more filters to get back. So that's the image we have generated. We will now create a two-sided plane 3D image. So let's wait for creation of it. That it is.